Here is, I want to talk about in this video, 7 things you need to know about VA loans for yourself. Number 1, the biggest benefit is there's no money down for veterans and active duty military if they have their full entitlement available to them. Second, this is really cool, it went into effect about 2-3 years ago, is there's no longer an official maximum loan amount from the VA. In fact, I was looking it up here this past weekend. We can do a VA loan with no money down up to $3 million. There's no monthly mortgage insurance for you, which can be a huge benefit, especially in a high cost real estate market like Denver's, because often that mortgage insurance, if you were going conventional or FHA, basically might cost you a bunch of buying power, whereas with VA, your buying power may increase by $50,000 to $100,000. Please do this. If you are a veteran or know a veteran, please share this video with them, because I want them to know the truth, about what is available for them to serve them. The 4th benefit for many veterans, especially from this century, is VA-related disability. And it only needs to be 10% VA-related disability, and then the VA doesn't charge their normal funding fee to you, which can be huge, especially for people who are using their VA benefit for the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th time. Because when you do that, there's no funding fee. Whereas, say, another veteran who doesn't have a VA-related disability and they're doing a loan with no money down, the funding fee for them is 3.6% of the loan amount. So if you're borrowing, say, $500,000, that's a funding fee of over $18,000, which adds about $75 a month to the payment. So if you have a VA-related disability, it's just another big advantage for you as a veteran in buying a home or refinancing a home. Another great benefit for you as a veteran is you don't need perfect credit. In fact, we as a company will go down to a 580 credit score with no money down for you. Now, many other lenders will want at least a 620 or 640 score, but we'll go down to 580 with no money down. Just know this is you can do a cash out refinance up to 90% of the value of your home. Whereas on a conventional loan or FHA loan, we can't go past 80% of the value of your home. So think about it this way. Let's say your home appraises for $500,000. That extra 10% means an additional $50,000 in your pocket at closing that you can use to rebuild savings, pay off debts, do home remodeling, pay for college for your kids. And finally, just know this, all of our VA loans here at Draper and Kramer Mortgage are done, and we don't charge you as the veteran or military member any loan application or processing, underwriting fees, anything like that, which automatically saves you about $1,100 up front at closing. Another thing I will tell you, our VA rates almost every day are the lowest rates of any loan that we offer, where typically VA rates are about 0.3%, maybe 0.5% lower than they are on a conventional loan. As Draper and Kramer Mortgage is the first company I've ever worked for that truly puts veterans first, both in time but also in money. Now, one of the things, this was just an amazing story I'm going to tell you. I just closed a VA loan of $750,000 here in early December. My client was initially going with the, quote, biggest national lender for VA loans. And they were charging him a rate of 3.875%, almost 4%. When he told me that, I almost choked. Because our rate, you know what it was for him? 2.75%, over 1% lower. So that rate difference is going to save him nearly $500 a month for the life of the loan. Not only was our rate so much lower, his closing costs with them were going to be $12,000. I calculated it out. This other lender, I bet, was going to make $50,000 on his loan. And for when he called me, you know, he got a lower rate of 2.75%. You know what his closing costs were with us? $300. So we saved him over $11,000 at closing, going to save him nearly $500 a month with our lower rate. So, you know, in conclusion, please, if you're a veteran, you know, contact me or share this. If you know a veteran, share this video with them, because they need to know this, because I don't want to see them get hurt by this lender or any other lender.